Hi, I'm Mick Hollison, and today I'll be joined by Rob Bearden, CEO and co-founder of Semaphore.ai. Today we'll be discussing AI agents and how they are transforming the very definition of software as we know it. What do you see as the role of AI in the enterprise moving forward?
Yeah. Well, look, every 10 plus years, there's a new big transformational movement. It started with client server and internet and big data and SaaS applications, right? And now we look at AI generally and what LLMs have been able to do to really serve as the catalyst to accelerate AI across everything in the world and specifically enterprises. And what AI is going to do going forward is really transform operating and business models, just like the internet did, and just like big data did it from insights, and just like the cloud did from deployment mechanisms, and the kind of applications from e-procurement and SaaS. And it just changes how the enterprise engages with their product design and build model, to how they engage with their customers, their products, and their supply chains. And it just creates this huge velocity of operating models that transform and open up new business models, new products, new offerings, new levels of efficiency. And I think where you're going to see the application of AI into a way that creates sustainable value across the enterprise in the ISV landscape is through agents. And so you'll see agents be deployed in a way that drive a level of efficiency and accuracy of execution for knowledge work and a velocity and way that really unlocks the manifestation of the next generation of operating and business models and next generation of products. And I think what you'll see that play through as, you're going to see the first billion-dollar company built with 100 employees. Right?
Wow.
And I think you'll see that in the next 3 to 5 years. Right? I think in that same time frame, you'll see 20 to 50% of the knowledge work that's done and delivered by humans today be done through agents. I don't think that necessarily displaces humans in the workplace. It allows them to apply those cycles into the new operating models, into the new product models, the new supply chain models, just like the way big data did, just like the way the internet applications did and the new SaaS applications. Those humans just apply different functions and different form factors, but human work as we know it today, I think is probably at least 50% enabled by agents, the knowledge work part of it, in the next 3 to 5 years. And that opens up and unlocks these new operating and business models that are going to create multiple new opportunities for enterprises to create and capture value, to evolve their business models. And then we're going to see the startups that, we're going to see the next Amazon generated by, just a few handfuls of employees driving hundreds of millions of dollars, if not billions of dollars of revenue through agents.
Wow, unbelievable. I can't thank you enough for your insights on all of that today and where you see the industry going and AI going in general. It sounds like a very exciting future, not only for the AI and agentic industry, but specifically for Semaphore.ai. So thanks for spending the time with us, Rob, and looking forward to having more of these conversations down the road.